In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Discord on your PC. So I'm on Windows 11, but it doesn't matter what Windows version you're on, this video will work. So you need to go ahead and go to Google Chrome or any other web browser. Then you want to just go ahead and go to Google and just type in here Discord and then click search, and then you should see Discord as the first one. Discord, your place to talk and hang out. You know you're on the right one if it says discord.com. So go ahead and click on Discord. And then here you can see you can download it for Windows, or you can use Discord on their website, but I don't recommend it. I recommend you go ahead and download it for Windows. So once you've clicked on download for Windows, a download will then start, and it's going to be a Discord setup file, which shouldn't take too long to download. Mine's taking 30 seconds here. So once it's downloaded, we're going to open it, and then I'll show you how to install it. Okay, so now that download has done, we're going to open this exe file. Just be patient because it could take a couple of seconds to open. So mine's taken about 30 seconds and now the file has opened. So now you can see we've got a Discord app on the desktop. If you don't want that, you can just remove it. It's just a shortcut. But Discord is now opening and it is starting Discord. Now, if you've had Discord on your computer before, it might log you in. If this is your first time on Discord, you'll probably see a window which looks something like this. You can go ahead and then click Need an Account Register. And then it will open up this window where you can go ahead and register. So enter in your name. So I'll just do it here. So enter in an email. You can then enter a display name. Now this is how other people are going to see you. So make sure you display here something which is appropriate and what you want other people to see. So I'm just going to do here knowledge base. And then for my username, again, I'm just going to have something which is appropriate and related to knowledge base. So we'll just go with knowledge base _ and then we'll enter in a secure password. Then go ahead and enter in your date of birth. So I'll do that. Mine is the 14th of March. Then you can go ahead and agree to the terms of service and then continue. And it's going to ask if you're a human and give you a human verification check, which we can just pass here. Okay, so now we've done that. It should then redirect us to Discord. And here we are inside of Discord. Now, what I recommend you do, you're going to get an email from Discord. So go ahead and confirm your account. Now you can go ahead and join different servers. And you can add friends here. So you can join servers by clicking on Explore Servers and then searching for servers and joining them. And if you go to the top right hand corner, it's going to take you to your direct messages. Here you can manage your friends who's online. You can also add other friends here. So that's how you can download Discord. I hope that quick video was helpful and did help you out.